Hey there, and welcome. If you're watching this video, chances are someone told you about ChatGPT, or maybe you've heard about it on the news and you're wondering, what exactly is this thing? And can someone like me actually use it? Well, I'm here to tell you. Absolutely yes. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to use ChatGPT step by step. No confusing tech language, no rushing, just clear, simple, easy steps. So, let's get started together. So first things first, what is ChatGPT? Think of it like this. Imagine you have a very knowledgeable friend. This friend has read millions of books, articles, and websites, and whenever you have a question, any question, you can just ask them, and they will give you a helpful, clear answer. That's ChatGPT. It's not a robot trying to replace people, it's not dangerous, it's simply a very smart assistant that lives inside your computer or your phone, and it's ready to help you anytime you need it. You can ask it to help you write a letter to your doctor. You can ask it to explain your medication. You can ask it to find a simple recipe. You can even just have a conversation with it if you're feeling lonely. It does not judge you. It does not get tired, and it is always patient with you. Alright, now let's actually get you started. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through every single step slowly. Step 1. Open your internet browser. That's the program you use to look up things online. It might be called Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Just open whichever one you normally use. Step 2. In the address bar at the very top of the screen, type in this address, chat.openai.com. Step 3. You will see a page that asks you to sign up or log in. If this is your first time, click Sign Up. It's completely free. Step 4. Once you're logged in, you will see a big white text box at the bottom of the screen. That is where you type your question. Step 5. After you type your question, press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the little arrow button. And just like that, ChatGPT will answer you within seconds. Now I want to give you 10 real examples of things you can ask ChatGPT today. Number 1. Ask it to explain a medical term your doctor used. Number 2. Ask it to write a letter for you. Number 3. Ask it for a simple recipe. Number 4. Ask it to help you understand your phone bill. Number 5. Ask it to recommend a book. Number 6. Ask it to help you remember something. Number 7. Ask it to translate something. Number 8. Ask it to keep you company. Number 9. Ask it to explain the news. And number 10. Ask it to help you write a birthday message. Now let us actually get you started. Step 1. Open your internet browser. That is the program you use to look things up online. It might be called Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Step 2. In the address bar at the very top of the screen, type this address, chat.openai.com. You can also just go to Google and type ChatGPT. It will be the very first result. Step 3. Click Sign Up. It is completely free to create an account. You just need your email address and a password you can remember. Now here is the exciting part. Click inside that big white text box at the bottom of the ChatGPT page. Then just type whatever you want to ask, in plain English, the same way you would ask a friend. Do not worry about using special words. ChatGPT understands normal everyday language perfectly. After you type your question, press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the little arrow button on the right side of the text box. And just like that, ChatGPT will give you a full, helpful answer within seconds. Let me show you one of the most useful things you can do with ChatGPT right away. Writing letters. If you need to write a letter to your doctor, your landlord, your insurance company, or even a heartfelt card for a family member, ChatGPT can help you write it in minutes. All you have to do is describe what you want to say. For example, type something like, "Please help me write a polite letter to my doctor asking for an appointment to discuss my blood pressure medication." And ChatGPT will write a complete professional letter for you instantly. One of the things seniors use ChatGPT for most often is understanding medical information. Have you ever left a doctor's appointment and realized you did not fully understand what the doctor said? or found yourself staring at a confusing medical form? Just describe what you heard or copy the confusing text and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to explain it in simple words. ChatGPT will give you a clear explanation that actually makes sense.
Hello,
Important
doctor.
note,
Calling with some
ChatGPT is not a
Go
doctor.
ahead.
Always
First,
follow your
the
doctor's
medication
advice,
dosage.
but it is an
20
incredible
milligrams
tool
daily.
for
Great.
helping
And
you
the next
understand and
appointment,
prepare
let's do next
better.
month.
Here is another wonderful use for ChatGPT: recipes and cooking. Whether you have a specific health condition that requires a special
I see.
diet,
This
or you
is the
simply want to
one.
try something new in the kitchen, ChatGPT is an incredible
Okay, it
recipe
says to add the
assistant.
spice
You can
now.
say something
Got
like,
how much?
give me an easy, healthy
teaspoon.
soup
You
recipe
remember
that
last
is
time?
low in
How
sodium
could I
and good
forget?
for
The
my
whole
joints.
house was
Or,
smoky.
I have chicken,
is much
potatoes,
better.
and onions in my fridge. What can I make? ChatGPT will give you a complete step-by-step recipe that is tailored exactly to what you asked for. Margaret uses it every single week. You do not need a computer to use ChatGPT. You can use it right on your smartphone or tablet. On an iPhone, go to the App Store and search for ChatGPT. It is made by OpenAI. Download it for free. On an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and search for the same thing. Once it is on your phone, you can use it anywhere. In the waiting room, at the doctor's office, on a walk in the park, or sitting in your favorite armchair. And here is something
What is
really
the capital
exciting.
of France?
On the phone app, you can actually talk to ChatGPT out loud instead of typing. Just tap the little microphone button and speak naturally. Let me answer some of the
Okay,
most
let's
common
check this
questions
first
seniors
one.
have about ChatGPT.
Yes, that's
Question
correct.
1. Is it really free?
Good. Next
Yes,
question.
the basic version of ChatGPT
Perfect.
is
All
completely
done.
free to use. There is a paid upgrade available, but you absolutely do not need it to get tremendous value. Question 2. Do I need to be good at typing? No, you can speak to it with your voice on the phone app, and even when typing, you go at your own pace. There is no time limit. Question 3. Will it remember our conversations? By default, ChatGPT does not store personal data between sessions. Each time you
Hey,
open a new
ChatGPT,
conversation,
what's the
it starts
capital of
fresh.
France?
Question
Certainly,
4.
Harold.
What if
The
I make a
capital of
spelling
France is
mistake?
Paris,
It does not
global
matter at
center
all.
for art, fashion,
ChatGPT
and
understands
cuisine. It is home to
imperfect
the
spelling
best.
perfectly.
Thanks.
And there you have it. You now know exactly what ChatGPT is, why it was created, how to get started with it, and dozens of real ways it can make your daily life easier, richer, and more connected. I want you to remember one thing above all else. Technology is not just for young people. It never was. You have lived a full, rich life filled with learning and adapting. ChatGPT is simply the next thing to learn, and you are absolutely capable of learning it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up right now. It helps us reach more seniors who need this information. Subscribe to Tech After 60 so you never miss a new video. And share this with someone you love. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.